Student, today we are going to learn advantages and disadvantages of installing a condenser in a steam power plant. This is the block diagram of a steam power plant with condenser, with installing a condenser. This is the boiler. This is steam engine or steam turbine. This is the condenser. This is hot oil, and this is the feed pump. From boiler, steam, mainly superheated steam, enter steam engine or steam turbine. Here steam expand and do work. From steam engine or steam turbine, wet steam enter the condenser and reject heat to the circulating water and convert to condensate, convert to water. Now condensate means condensed steam collect at hot oil. From hot oil, feed pump supply the hot water to the boiler. Okay, now advantages of steam condenser, advantages of steam power plant with installing condenser. Number one, this increases the power of the engine and its thermal efficiency. Condenser increases the work output per kg of steam supplied to the power plant. Number two, the condenser serves as a source of hot feed water. Feed water not necessary. Treatment, water treatment, that means water purification and softening the water is not necessary. Number three, the feed water is free from air to a great extent. Air reduces the temperature of steam. Air reduces the steam pressure and result in reduced heat transfer. Okay, now disadvantages of steam condenser. Number one, initial cost of setting a condensing steam power plant. A plant with condenser is higher than that of a non-condensing one because it requires large quantity of cooling water, large floor space, and costly construction complicated. Okay. Number two, the maintenance cost of a condensing steam plant is higher than that of a non-condensing one. Here maintenance cost is very high and require skilled worker. Number three, the whole plant may have to be shut down. Whole plant, পুরো প্ল্যান্টটা বন্ধ হয়ে যেতে পারে due to breakdown of the condensing unit. If condenser is breakdown, whole power plant is shut down. Okay.